Notice that the new street is also named as the previous one, so you need to make sure to rename it to Street A. Okay, next step is to find the best location for the building. In order to do that, I'm gonna sketch the building path, and I'm gonna work with the project base point to come up with the best elevation to minimize cut and fill. Okay. Okay, so if that is the top of the building, and let me see. This is the side. I want to check the view range first. Oh, VR. I want the bottom to be unlimited for now, on here and here. Okay. Also, actually, it might be easier if I go to level -1. Yes, much better. Okay, so what I want to do is that I want to create the building path first, and then I want to take care of the elevation of that second. So let's go to the building path. How about I offset the edge of the foundation by about 1.5 meters or 1 meter. 1 meter, so there's enough space for the workers to work there. Okay, over there, over there, over there, there, and actually let's go like this. Okay, that should be okay. Just let me see how it works if I offset out of this foundation. It's not that much different, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so this seems good. This is my building pad. Okay. So it's over there. You see we have a lot of fill if you want it to be there, right? What I want to do is that I want to draw a section, and actually we have a section here. How about I move it to outside the side? Let me go to a different view. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cover both the streets on the two sides. Okay, that should be section 1. Okay, there. Okay, so that is the building pad over there. What I need to do is to bring the project base unit here. I'm going to visibility graphics by typing VG or VV. It's under site. Project base unit survey point. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now let's see. This one is 0. Okay. Oh, that's over there because we changed the true north. Okay, that's all right. Now, how about I change this one? Make sure to change the clip state of the point. I want to maybe change this to -4 or -5. Okay. Now, if level 1 is back to -1.5, you see the levels are now a number of 5 is added to the height of each level, right? Okay, so now this is gonna be the building pad, we have a bit of fill in here and a bit of cut over there. I'm gonna see how it works in this view. It's better than before. Yeah. We can also try maybe -6 and change this to -1.5 again because it jumped 1 meter higher. Okay, now it seems it's kind of like half and half here and there. It's all good. Now we want to add or decrease the height of each level by 4. So it's gonna be, this one is gonna be 0 by 6 actually, right? So each of these would be like 10 minus 6, 14 minus 6, and so on. Right, that's right. So this one should be 10 minus 6, which is 4, and we need to do it for all the other levels. I fixed all the levels. We can see it in 3D. It seems about right. Notice that this building is smaller than what you're supposed to provide in the project. So your design should be different. You can place your building anywhere inside the property line. You are asked to create some pathways from the property line to the building, and you see there are already 3 access points to the site or to the property, here, here, and there. You can keep them or you can just disregard them and consider anything else. We need 2 pathways. One should go from the east side to the building, wherever your building is, to create access to the commercial buildings. And you need another one from somewhere on the west side to create access to your residential buildings. Notice that the 2 accesses might get to the building in different levels. For instance, you might have an entrance somewhere around here. So on this side, you might enter the building on like level 2 or 3, right? But on the other side, you might enter the building on level like 1. Okay, so it depends on you and your design. Also notice that if we have an entrance somewhere around here, we need to either have an entrance from here, so it will go to level 1, or if you want to enter the building from here and have the access from this street, then you might add some soil here to fill this area, right? Because that elevation is higher than this one. So another way to go with it is to lower the building pad. So on one side, maybe even lower. You don't have to kind of fill the soil below the path, but on the other side you're gonna have more cut. Or you might enter the building from like level 4 or 5 instead of level 2 or 3. So that also makes sense. It's up to you and your design.